Hello and welcome to Lloyd Approved South Lakes. Today we have this fantastic FORD MONDEO Titanium Estate 2-litre EcoBoost automatic transmission. The car comes in deep impact blue metallic and was registered in January 2016. Comes with just under 51,400 miles on the clock, and as you can see has these nice 19-inch alloy wheels. Right, take a look inside. Nice luxurious leather interior. You've got electric windows front and rear, electrically operated mirrors, it's keyless ignition, so just press your foot on the brake, press the start button and the engine springs into life. 6-speed automatic gearbox. You've got a large touchscreen display there for your satellite navigation. Also got controls on there for your Sony stereo, including CD player. You've also got Bluetooth connection to an audio device or a telephone. Air conditioning, heated seats. Inside the armrest you've got USB charging point. Moving on over to the multi-function steering wheel. You've got controls for your cruise control and speed limiter there. Right hand side you've got controls for your audio and for your telephone. Looking over at the speedo, 51,380 miles. Right, let's have a look at the rest of the car. Moving to the rear, you've got privacy glass at the rear. Inside, plenty of room for all the family, including Isofix mounts for your child seats. Armrest there, 2 cup holders. Moving round to the boot. Large size boot. Underneath there, you've also got your spare wheel. Bit of a rarity these days. Right, so there you have it. Good family size car there. Well specced out. For more information, please feel free to call in and see us or give us a ring on 015395 34007. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.